Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out this video, and if you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I cover oily skin, hooded eyes, and beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my 8 tips for dry lips. I have suffered from dry lips for pretty much my entire life. They are super dry, they crack, they peel, and it gets so bad to where I peel them myself to where they bleed. Yes, I know. It's a pretty gross habit and I don't recommend anyone to do it really. But yeah, so if you have dry, cracked lips like me, then this video is for you. So these tips that I'm going to be sharing with you are definitely things that I've learned just throughout the years of having dry lips, just trial and error. And also I've done some research on it, and this isn't the cure for dry lips, but it has definitely helped so much. I used to peel my lips multiple times a day, and now it's maybe like once or twice a week. Yeah, I do still peel my lips, but there is such a huge difference. I see a huge difference. I don't need chapstick constantly like I used to. I used to have chapstick in my purse, in my pocket, in my sweater pocket, in my bedroom, in my bathroom, in the kitchen, the living room, just in case I was in a room and I needed to get to chapstick somewhere. I literally had it everywhere. At work, it would be in like every single drawer. It was crazy. It was like an addiction because my lips were just so dry. And I really hope that these tips help you guys out because oh my God, I wish I would have known these sooner. I will definitely reference websites down below for all my research that I've done. Also, I have seen like other YouTubers explaining just exactly the problems I had and what they did to solve it. So I'll definitely link those down below as well. So that way maybe you can learn some more from them or just know that this really does work. Tip number 1, hydrate. As you guys know, hydrating is the key to everything. So dry lips equals dehydration, so drink water. Number 2, do not lick your lips. I know that it's your instinct to want to lick your lips whenever they are dry, but really what it's doing is whenever you are licking your lips, you're temporarily getting that moisture, that satisfaction of it being not dry. But really once your saliva starts to evaporate, it actually takes that moisture as well, the moisture that is on your lips, and it evaporates it. So it's only making your lips more dry. So stop it. Tip number 3, exfoliate. So just like you exfoliate your skin, you're gonna wanna do the exact same on your lips. So really, since I have oily skin, I exfoliate 3 times a week. So whenever I exfoliate my skin, I exfoliate my lips. I use the exact same product, so as I'm doing that, I have tried using lip scrubs that are specifically made just for your lips, but I find that they're too harsh for my lips because mine are just so sensitive and it just starts to irritate and make them really red. And really it just kind of tears up my dry lips and it doesn't really like actually take off the dry skin. It just tears it up. So I end up having to go in after and take off all of the dry skin, which is what I thought the scrub is supposed to do. So I found that using my face exfoliator on my lips works just as well. It takes off all of the dry skin and leaves them silky smooth. And the good thing about exfoliating your lips is that whenever you are taking off your dry skin, you are leaving your lips there to really just kind of soak in all of that moisture that you're going to be putting on your lips. Tip number 4, lip serum. So I don't mean something that's specifically made for your lips. What I mean is use your face serum for your lips as well. So your serums are made to target your problem areas, and your lips is pretty much a target area. So I find that using my face serum on my lips helps so much. Right now, this is what I'm using, and it's the Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum with hyaluronic acid, which we all know is made for hydration. So as I'm putting this on my face, I just put it on my lips as well, and I've noticed a huge difference. Tip number 5, lip oil. You can use your face oil for your lips as well, and it really just soaks in all of that moisture. Your lips are different from the rest of your face. They are much thinner, and they actually don't have any oil glands to produce any moisture, so that's where the face oil comes in. Putting it on your lips, having your lips absorb all of that oil, it's silky smooth. So this is what I'm using right now. It's the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend, and it also smells so good. I think that it smells like Fruit Loops. I think it smells like Fruit Loops, but I don't know. My husband doesn't think so. I think it does. It smells great and it leaves my lips so smooth. Sometimes when I just use my lip oil, I don't have to wear chapstick for the rest of the day. Like that lip oil did it. Tip number 6, a lip mask. I do put this on right after my lips absorb all of that lip oil, and it really just locks in all of that moisture, and it is just a little bit more moisturizing and a little bit thicker than your normal lip balm, which helps make it last a whole lot longer. And I use the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it's just amazing. I love this stuff. Tip number 7, lip balms. So if I happen to need a lip balm throughout the day, which normally I don't because of the steps that I've shown you, and I do use a chapstick that I actually made myself. So I actually have made a bunch of these chapsticks, and a lot of people, I just kind of like handed them out to like friends and family, and everyone loves it. And they're like, Stephanie, I will pay you if you can just make me some more, which reminds me, I really need to make some more. But yeah, I just make my own only because a lot of chapsticks have so many bad ingredients in them. And it just makes your lips drier. If you guys want to know anything about my chapstick, like the ingredients and the benefits, then I can definitely make another video. I can make a video just strictly on this to go more in depth. Just let me know in the comments below and I'll go ahead and do that. Tip number 8, stay away from mint ingredients. Any kind of mint ingredient like menthol or anything like that, that's really gonna give you that temporary moisture, but in the long run, it really just dries your lips out. So you really wanna stay away from ingredients like that. Those were my 8 tips for dry lips. And if you guys have any tips that I didn't mention that work for you, let us know in the comments down below. And if you've learned something new, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys, bye.